experienced, I would say, the most chaotic work environment that I've ever experienced.
If you've dealt with a bad boss or colleague, you unfortunately are one of a majority of Canadians who have endured workplace abuse. A new poll says more than half of Canadians have endured workplace abuse, and 1 in 4 of those who endured harassment switched jobs or had to leave a company.
It was the first time I experienced just straight up being scared for my physical self when I would go into an office, because one of the coworkers, he would punch walls and slam desks and swear, scream. He would lock us out of the office so that we couldn't go in and continue doing our work.
Our creative director, the principal, the owner of the place, would come in from maybe 11 in the morning till maybe 2 or 3 in the afternoon and just sit in her office with the door open so that she could yell at everybody and then take off.
Sarah Thompson and Sheldon Stenning of Thompson Stenning Creative Group worked together at a Vancouver design agency 6 years ago. While on the job, they both claim they experienced months of workplace abuse.
You're working with really tight deadlines, and it was sort of like, hey, we know we're not getting paid for overtime. We have to come in on weekends. We are, no niceties. No one's doing anything for us. So it sort of felt like a slave driver situation for sure.
53% of those surveyed in the Research Co poll say they've experienced at least 1 of 5 negative actions during their working lives. 1 in 5 Canadians have been overworked. A similar number of Canadians have experienced actions that threaten their personal or professional standing, such as belittling opinions, sarcasm, jokes, and humiliation.
This is an issue that is affecting younger generations more. I think what we see here, in a way, is the old situation that we used to have where those who are over the age of 35 or over the age of 55 simply grin and bear it.
We see people coming in for mental health support all the time who their presenting concern is their work.
Some Canadians also reported they've been set up for failure and have been ignored or excluded.
Their mental health, their emotional health, even their physical health can be dramatically impacted by stress, by fight or flight reactions.
And an overwhelming 82% of those surveyed believe it's necessary for Canada to enact legislation that would protect workers from repeated workplace abuse.
I don't know what that would look like or what could be done and how to hold people accountable necessarily, but I would love to see what could be done about that.
Our hope is that, maybe 5-10 years down the road, the numbers will be lower and we'll have more people who do something about it when they face workplace abuse.
In Burnaby, Miranda Fatour, City News.